Alright guys, so we're back in another lotto video. Some of you love it, some of you hate it, but it is what it is. So today we did something a little bit more unique. I was really wanting to do the whole roll, but there's so many in a roll, I'm not sure I'd scratch all those in one video and not have an hour-long video. I might do that on the next one though. So we have basically 10 of these $5. These are Money Manias and multiplier. It just looked kind of cool, so I thought I'd go ahead and check those out. We have 5 of these $10 money millionaires. These are went up to $1 million in prizes, and should be interesting. So this one starts at 52 and goes up to 56, and this one starts at 32 and goes up to, look, can you flip it over here? 32 and goes up to 41. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, with this light back a little bit, we're going to start off with the Money Mania multipliers, and these are $5 tickets. Like I said, this is, the odds are 1 in 4.03, so basically 1 in 4 tickets should win, but we've seen that before and that wasn't the case. Let's go ahead and start here. So we have went up to $100,000, over 60 million prizes. Winning numbers are right here. Match any of your numbers to any of the winning numbers. Win prize shown. If you win, multiply your prizes by multiplier number for that game. All right. 38, 3, 22, 19. And that's it. Okay, so let's see here. Your numbers are 28, 18, 14, 30. Make sure you guys can actually see that. 13, 9, 17, 26, 24, 33, 16, that's 12, 32, and number 4. And we'll go ahead and scan all these once we're all done, just to make sure we don't miss anything. $31, 16, 27, 4, 19, 28, 3, 29, 39, 23, 37, 9, 30, and 3. This thing's actually scratched kind of strangely. It's like crunchy when you scratch it. I'm not sure what's going on with that. But that one's a big fat loser also. This is number 34. 337, 833, 29. It looks like a big fat loser on that one also. Just triple checking here real quick. That's 3. There's number 4, number 35. 34, 4, 3, 37, 39. Man. $38. Triple check all that real quick. 34, no. 4, no. 3, no. 37, no. And 39, no. So that is 4. So our 1 and 4 is going to play out right now. Number 36, 35, 24, 36, 19, and 11. Brutal. Look at that. That's 5 and no winner. That's brutal on $5 tickets. Something better change pretty quick. Losing all my money. I bet everything, all my last penny for this. If you guys believe that, I'll tell you another story. All right, so 37, 21, 3, 33, 29. $33 is a winner. $5. Scan it once real quick again. 37, no. 21, no. 3, no. 33, yes. 29, no. So we got a free ticket. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 tickets. $18, 22, 8, 4, and 23. This is freaking terrible. Maybe some of the worst scratch tickets I ever had. 22, 8, 4, and 23. $35, 7, 29, 25, and 24. $38. What kind of scratch cards are these? Total garbage. Total garbage. Once real quick. 35, nope. 7, nope. 29, nope. 25, hell no. And 24, especially hell no. We got 2 left on these. Then we're off to the $10 tickets. $26, 23, 9, 39, 4. I feel like this one's gonna win. Terrible. Real quick. 23, nope. 24, nope. 9, nope. 39, nope. 4, hell no. Last one. That's not good. I mean, that doesn't look good on the lottery, on Missouri Lottery. That many in a row, no winners. 6, 34, 13, 25, and 36. There's a winner. $5. 13. $5. Oh hell. 9. Nope. 7. 27. 15. 14. 30. 24. 17. 22. 18. And 29. So let me see here. Let me reread this a little bit. Match any numbers to any winning numbers. Win prize. Show if you win. Multiply your prize. Multiply your number. So we need to scratch a multiplier on this. Okay, here we go. 2x and 1x. So that's $10. I mean, well, 1x is just the prize, right? And then we have on this $5 one and 1x. Okay, so we have $20 so far. I scanned all the rest of them, and like I said, this one, so 1x is only obviously $5, and $5 plus $20, no, plus $10. So $20 total. Let me see here. So next up, we have these $10 tickets. Went up to $1 million, over $35 million in prizes. Match any of your numbers and the winning numbers. When a prize shown, reveal a coin symbol and win double the prize. Reveal a $100 bill symbol. Instantly win $100. Reveal a money bag symbol. Win all 20 prizes. All right. And then we have odds here are 1 and 3.35. So not too bad. Winning numbers are 37, 5, 19, 28, 12, and 10. Nothing so far. Nothing. Big fat loser. We have 5 of these cards just to refresh your memory. So, see, I traded in a $50 card and put another $50 on top of it. It's $100 for the ticket. So we only got 20 back. We're gonna lose the farm if we don't come out ahead. We're gonna lose the whole channel. We bet everything. I'm joking, of course. 39, 21, 29, 8, 38, and 9. 5, 18, 33, 13, 22, 19, 14, 4, 12, 35, 32, 27, 16, 30, 7, 40, 3, 37, 1, and 2. Looks like a big fat loser on that one. It's 2 down. Number 3 coming right up. 28, 1, 11, 3, 31, and 25. 29, 6, 40, 28. Oh, but 28's a match. $20. Oh, retirement, here I come. 5, 7, 12, 38, 8, 34, 36, 15, 37, 30, 20, 33, 18, 22, and 9. So we're up to $40. We're still not we're still not there. 32, 21, 25, 4, 1, 18. 8, 23, 26, 38, 10, 6, 13, 34, 19, 5, 35, 29, 2, 7, 37, 16, 22, 31, 36, and 11. Last one, guys. Are we gonna make it or not? Probably not. 36, 32, 8, 5, 33, and 7. There's a 5. $10 right out the bat. 37, 15, 10, 23, 36, another match, another $10. So we're 30, 40, now we're 40, 50, 60 bucks total right now. 11, 4, 26, 2, 20, 28, 17, 9, 39. It's not looking good, boys. 12, another 8, another $10. 13, and 29. All right, guys, so here we are. We have $70 in total winnings. Like I said, we indirectly spent $100 to get it. This goes to show you the lottery has no mercy for anybody. If this is your last few dollars, do not go buy scratch-off tickets. It will end badly, I assure you. Let me know in the comments. You want me to do the whole roll of tickets next time or what? I'm not really sure on that one. It's a lot of tickets. It's a lot of tickets no matter what, or a lot of money, or both. So that's going to be it, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.